Hello everyone, and welcome to our deep dive into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI is once again pushing the boundaries of drone technology with this latest addition to their Mini lineup. Known for setting industry standards, DJI's Mini series has been a favorite among drone enthusiasts, professionals, and content creators. In today's video, we'll go over everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, from its enhanced camera capabilities to upgraded battery life, improved flight range, and even potential AI-powered features. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to boast a remarkable upgrade in its camera department. Rumors suggest a high-resolution sensor, possibly 48 or even 50 megapixels, offering detailed and vibrant photos and videos. The Mini 5 Pro might also come with an upgraded 1-inch sensor, a significant leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. Alongside the increased resolution, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. This high frame rate will enable smooth slow-motion footage, perfect for capturing action-packed scenes or cinematic shots. Battery life is often a critical factor for drone users, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to address this with a new, long-lasting battery. DJI has already introduced smart battery technology, but with the Mini 5 Pro, they may increase flight times up to 40 minutes on a single charge. This extension allows users to capture more content without worrying about constantly recharging or switching batteries. DJI's proprietary OcuSync transmission system is another likely upgrade in the Mini 5 Pro. Current rumors point toward an increased transmission range, potentially up to 10 kilometers, providing more flexibility and reliability for users. This increased range means that drone pilots can operate the Mini 5 Pro across a much wider area, making it ideal for exploring and documenting large landscapes. DJI's proprietary OcuSync transmission system is another likely upgrade in the Mini 5 Pro. Current rumors point toward an increased transmission range, potentially up to 10 kilometers, providing more flexibility and reliability for users. This increased range means that drone pilots can operate the Mini 5 Pro across a much wider area, making it ideal for exploring and documenting large landscapes. The Mini 5 Pro will likely incorporate an upgraded obstacle avoidance system, building upon the features of previous models. DJI has been developing sophisticated AI-powered tracking and avoidance technology, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with enhancements like improved sensors on all sides, enabling the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might also introduce new intelligent flight modes to give users greater creative control. Expect modes like Active Track, which allows the drone to follow a subject autonomously, and Spotlight, which keeps the camera focused on a moving subject while giving the pilot control over the drone's movement. One of the pain points of previous Mini models was limited internal storage. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with a more generous storage option, possibly up to 8 gigabytes or more, enabling users to store a significant amount of footage directly on the device. This increased storage capacity is crucial for capturing high-resolution videos and long flight sessions without interruptions. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro will likely support microSD cards, offering flexible storage expansion for those who want to capture extensive video content. As for pricing, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to be priced between $700 and $800, which aligns with the high-end features it offers. The Mini 5 Pro is positioned as a top-tier compact drone, ideal for both hobbyists and professionals looking for a powerful, portable aerial solution. At this price point, the Mini 5 Pro competes directly with other compact drones, but it is expected to stand out due to DJI's reputation for quality and innovation. This drone is likely to attract a wide audience, from recreational users to professional photographers and videographers who need a reliable, high-quality, portable device. Based on DJI's typical release pattern, we anticipate that the Mini 5 Pro will launch around November 2024, aligning with the one-year cycle followed by its predecessors. This timing not only helps build anticipation but also places DJI at the forefront of the holiday season market, making it an ideal time for those looking to purchase a new drone. A November release would reaffirm DJI's commitment to delivering groundbreaking technology every year, keeping the company at the forefront of the drone industry. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a true powerhouse in the compact drone market. With a high-resolution camera, extended flight time, improved obstacle avoidance, and advanced intelligent flight modes, this drone is set to redefine what's possible with a portable aerial device. Stay tuned for the official release as DJI unveils this groundbreaking device, ready to inspire a new generation of aerial enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest news on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and other upcoming tech innovations.